Rowserworld. Alright, so let's do this here. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. My simplified version, right? Okay, let's see if we can get this other guy in here now. See if we can do it. uh, hmm. Okay. Alright, let me see here. Harry and Marv, huh? Okay. Okay. I can't see. Uh oh, I'm kind of going off the page there a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Here's throw a little bit of that ear shape in there. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Almost there, guys. Okay. Alright. These are the guys, right? One of my favorite movies. I have to leave Ethan home alone sometimes, right? Leave my son home alone. So I really learned this just now, like about those eyes, because it was such a similar, like it was so similar to the way these eyes were. You know what I mean, with the line kind of breaking across the bottom. So kind of like using this concept right here. You know what I mean? When you're drawing the eyes in that particular way. So we'll just call those the sinister eyes, and I'll keep that right there. And that's just basically where you do a line, and then you draw your all your features off the line, and then you add your eyebrows in there. Get what I'm saying? Get what I mean? Something like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right. Let me see here. So, I think this is a really good. So all I gotta do here, watching the background, this is what we'll do. We'll put like a little. We'll put like a. We'll put like a little house. Some little bushes back there, right? No problem. Some windows on the house. That's the windows that they're gonna go through, right? Okay. And of course, there are other houses in the neighborhood, but this is not the house they're concerned with. This is a rich people's house. They have huge windows. Okay. And of course, you know it is this right here is a huge Christmas tree because it's Christmas outside. All right. And of course, we have to have the reindeer. So we can draw Santa's sleigh right here with some reindeers. Of course, we gotta have Santa in there some kind of way. Let me see. Maybe I can just put a little Santa Claus in there. Alright. That's like a Santa sleigh back there. Yeah. There we go. Santa Claus is coming. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. Knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better not, better not, better not. And I'm telling you why. Santa Claus coming to town. Alright, let me see here. A little bit of shadow on this side of the face over here. So today, guys, we're doing Hollywood villains. None more well known than the guys from Home Alone, of course, right? Yeah. How can we forget about these guys, right? No way we can forget about them. So I'm just gonna do a quick little coloring job on the hair here. Well, it's something. It's all about the artist. It's not the tool. I was gonna use a different marker at first, and I was like, maybe if I do this marker, it'll be better. And I was like, nah. Maybe if I just get it right. Let me do some cross hatching here. Just a little bit of cross hatching. Okay, and we're gonna do this. We'll do this one a little cross hatch too. We'll add a little when we add that black in for the hat and little pieces right there. We'll just do some little crosses, some little, you know. That's how you cross hatch right there. Get it? Cross hatch. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to get out my black here. I think I got a big black marker here. Maybe this one is full of ink. Yeah. This one will work. Something like that, maybe. There we go. And we'll just use the chisel tip of this one. darker. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and do Marv's jacket with the black. Oh, is that Harry? Which one's Harry? I can't remember. I think Harry's Joe Pesci and Marv is the other guy. These guys, right? Alright guys, so, and this is going to be our last drawing of the stream. I gotta go ahead and get my word of the day in there. Just wanted to finish this one out. We'll continue with this one. This one's actually kind of fun. If you guys can think of any other cool themes you'd like me to attempt to try, whatever, you can always make a suggestion when you're here. I want to thank those that did come out today. Right? It was a pleasure to have you. Saw a little Christmas tree over there, right? And we'll just do like this here. Put some staggery letters there. Home Alone, right? Go ahead and sign my work real quick. Okay. And there we go, guys. A quick drawing, Home Alone. These guys, right? So let's go ahead and start wrapping this thing up. I want to once again thank you guys for coming out. It was super awesome to have you.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.